In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Vizio TV if it's not working properly. I'll show you a few different solutions. So the first one is the easiest, is to simply go and unplug it from the wall socket. So go ahead, unplug it, pull it out, and if it's connected on a power bar, again, remove it from there. In the meanwhile, go and press the power button located under the TV. Mine is over here, but maybe yours is in a different location. Press on it during 30 seconds, release it, plug back your TV in your wall socket, and if it was connected in a power bar, I suggest you use a power socket instead because it's much more reliable. Once you do this, power on your TV, and hopefully after doing this, everything will work great. Now let's go to the second trick if this didn't fix anything for you. The other option will be to make sure that you have the last update on your Vizio TV, because again, this could cause an issue. Press the settings button, select admin and privacy, go down, select check for updates. It will take a few minutes. And if there's an update, it will start installing it. It takes, again, maybe 5 minutes to do so. And after doing this, your TV should run much smoother. If all these things didn't help at all, I suggest a factory reset. Unfortunately, it will delete all your accounts from this TV, but your TV will be basically like new, like, without lags. So press the settings button on your remote control if you want to do a factory reset. Go down, select all settings, select admin and privacy, and select reset to factory settings. Select reset TV. It takes 2-3 minutes and your TV will be completely resetted. Hopefully you won't have any lag, it won't be slow, and you'll still be able to use it after, and you'll be able to use it in a better way afterwards. So this is it. Thanks for watching. If you have any other tricks, please let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.